Hello guys, this is a getting started tutorial for Python development with Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed Python yet, please go to the Python org page to install it. A link to the video on how to set up Python is added to the description below. Once Python is installed on your computer, go to the page code.visualstudio.com and download the free Visual Studio Code. My OS is Windows 10, so I get the matching download button, but when you go to the general download page, you can download VSCode for Windows, Linux or Mac. After the installation, open VSCode and you can see the welcome page. But before we add our first Python file, open the extension tab in VSCode and type in the word Python in the search field. Here you can find the Python extension from Microsoft for linting, debugging, refactoring or IntelliSense. Just press install, then wait a short moment, and after that press the reload button to reload VSCode and activate the extension. In the sidebar you can see now that the Python extension is enabled. Okay, now we go ahead and install another extension which is called Code Runner. With this extension installed, you can run code for multiple languages, including Python. So press install for Code Runner and then again the reload button. Now we installed everything to write and run Python scripts in a comfortable way, so create a new file and then save it, for example as python_demo.py. Our file is recognized as new Python file, and you can see that VS Code recommends to install the linter pylint. A linter is a tool that analyzes source code to flag programming or code style errors. So I press install here, and VS Code uses pip, a Python tool to install packages to download and install pylint. Alright, now I add a parameter for the print function like hello from Python, and after that I want to run the script. Of course I could go to the terminal, then switch to the folder of the Python demo file and type in python_demo.py to run the script. But before we have Code Runner installed, there's an easier way to do this. You can press Ctrl, Alt and N and the script is started. The output can be seen in the Output tab. Okay guys, that's it for getting started with Python and the very flexible and fast IDE VS Code. I hope you like these short Python tips and my channel, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to be notified when the next video is online. Thanks for watching guys, consider supporting me on my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one.